Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of YouTube SEO, uncovering the strategies that can skyrocket your views and subscribers in no time. Are you struggling to get your videos noticed on YouTube? Do you dream of having thousands of subscribers eagerly waiting for your next upload? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share proven techniques to boost your visibility and grow your channel fast. Let's face it, creating great content is just half the battle. Without proper SEO, your videos might never reach their full potential. You could be missing out on thousands of views and potential subscribers every day. But don't worry, we've cracked the code to YouTube SEO success, and we're excited to share our insider tips with you today. Point 1. Keyword research. First things first, it's all about keywords. We'll show you how to find the right keywords that your audience is searching for. Learn the art of crafting click-worthy titles and descriptions that not only attract viewers, but also rank higher in YouTube's search results. Discover the secrets behind creating eye-catching thumbnails that compel users to click on your videos. We'll reveal strategies to keep viewers engaged throughout your video, increasing watch time and boosting your video's ranking. Ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips on growing your channel and mastering YouTube SEO. Thank you for watching. Implement these YouTube SEO tips today and watch your views and subscribers soar. Subscribe button, previous video, recommended video. YouTube beginner tips. Make